Class 12th, good morning. In subject mathematics today, we were doing last time application of derivative continued, and in that we were doing increasing and decreasing function whose exercise base is 6.2. We are continuing it. So on Saturday we did first, second, third and fourth question. Today I am taking fifth question. So fifth question is find the intervals in which fx equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is a part increasing function, b part decreasing function. So you have explained already conditions, and today we will discuss the stationary points where it is neither increasing or not decreasing. So before and after these points the function has opposite behavior. So first you will calculate f dash x, which comes here 6x square minus 6x minus 36, and where it is neither increasing nor decreasing, those values, for those values they are called stationary points, and the condition is f dash x equal to 0, and you see f dash x is 0, x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. On solving this quadratic equation you will get x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 2. So this will describe only 2 points where it is neither increasing nor decreasing, and with the help of these two numbers 3 and minus 2 we can make possible intervals from minus infinity to plus infinity. So there will be only three intervals. First is minus infinity to minus 2, second is minus 2 to 3, and third is 3 to infinity as shown in the table. Then as you know the condition, where derivative is positive fx is increasing function, where it is negative fx is decreasing. So clearly you can take any value of x, like between minus 2 and 3. I have taken let x is 0, and putting in f dash x you will get f dash x negative, and therefore function is decreasing in minus 2 to 3, hence in alternate intervals, that is f dash x is greater than 0 in minus infinity to minus 2 and 3 to infinity. So hence fx is increasing. From this table you can write clearly, first part fx is increasing in minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 to infinity, and b part fx is decreasing in minus 2 to 3, and that is your answer. You were asked the two parts a and b, which has been answered here. Now question number 6 is, it has different parts. So first is find the intervals in which fx is increasing, and again b part it is decreasing. So first part I have taken x square plus 2x minus 5. Second part is 10 minus 6x minus 2x square. Third is fx equal to minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1. Fourth is fx equal to 6 minus 9x minus x square. Fifth is fx equal to x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole cube, and sixth is fx equal to sin 2x. So there are 6 parts in this question where you have to find the intervals in which fx is increasing and fx is decreasing. So first part I have taken fx is x square plus 2x minus 5. So first you have to find f dash x, that is 2x plus 2, and for increasing function f dash x is greater than 0, that is 2x plus 2 is greater than 0. After solving this inequality you will get x greater than minus 1, that is x should be from minus 1 to infinity. So fx is increasing in the interval minus 1 to infinity, and for decreasing function f dash x has to be negative. That is the condition you were explained before. So 2x plus 2 is f dash x, which has to be less than 0, and on simplifying and solving this in equation you will get x less than minus 1, or x less than minus 1 means in interval form you can write it as minus infinity to minus 1 open interval, and therefore fx is decreasing b part in the interval minus infinity to minus 1. That is your answer. So you can use any of the method, whether stationary point method discussed in question 5 or solution of inequation method, depending upon which is convenient to you. Now from here second to sixth part you have to do yourself as assignment. You will solve them in the same way and you will show it to me.